How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2013 Dodge Ram. The customer have a key without the buttons, so we're gonna create one with a remote. This is the Y170 that doesn't have any buttons, and we're going to create a new fob. Let's get started. So I'm going to use the Autel KM100, which is a very affordable machine, about 400 bucks. It comes with a Bluetooth dongle. We're going to connect the dongle to the OBD under the steering column on the left side and turn on the machine. In order to program, I do not need to put the customer's key in the ignition, so I'm going to start with my key, the new one, in the ignition, and I'll put it in the ignition 2 clicks to the on position, 1 and 2. Alright, and there is a security light on the right hand side and it blinks right now. So when we finish, this security light will be off. I'm going to accept and go to immobilizer. We're going to look for Dodge. And because we have a key in the on position, we can hit automatic selection. And now we're going to read the VIN number automatically. We're going to hit fob key because it's not a push start. Make sure the year, make, and model is correct. Turn off the ignition and put the hazard lights on and hit OK. It's going to read the password automatically, the PIN code. And here we have the 4-digit PIN code. And we're going to get to the menu. We're going to hit hot function. We're going to go fob key learning. And we're going to start the procedure. It's going to tell me that it's not going to be erasing the keys. We want the old key to keep working. It's going to read the number of keys. Currently there is 3. Ask me if I want to read the PIN code. I'm going to say no because we already read it. Do you want to program the next key? We're going to hit yes. And it's that easy. It's registering right now a new key. And we're going to see that there is 4 keys in the memory. Do you want another key? I said no. And 3 keys on the beginning and 4 keys when we finish. That's it, key already programmed. Let's test it out. We're going to turn off the hazard lights. We're going to try to start the car. We're going to turn the door off so you can hear it. And if everything is correct, that should sound like that. Everything is good, working right. There is no security light. We're going to test also the remote. Everything worked the way it should. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the blade. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And in order to cut it, I'm using Rytan RY-45 key duplicator. It's a little bit pricey, but it's worth every penny. I have it for 7 years. It works with no issues whatsoever, and it's very accurate. So I duplicate his blade. This is only for the door. The ignition doesn't have any pins or wafers inside, so it's strictly just to open the door. We're gonna test the new key right now, and that turns the door nice and easy. We're gonna put it back in the remote inside, and we'll test all the buttons from the outside as well. And the trunk is working. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.